Want to know how to ask a cursor AI to convert the code into an API ending point? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it in just under a minute. So we have also created previous similar videos regarding cursor AI to get help from, so make sure to watch it on our channel. So I have this C# code with me right here, and now we want to turn the logic into an API method through ASP.NET. So what we do is we just simply select the entire code, and you should be seeing two options popping up, that is quick edit and add to chat. Now since we are editing the code, just simply select quick edit and your edit selection should open up right here. Now just simply type in this prompt. So once you have typed in this prompt, just select enter, and it will generate your code. So as you can see right here, the code has been generated and it should provide you a lot of convenience. So this also saves up really tiring amount of work and you're good to go. That's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.